Attention is the attachment of the mind to a subject. فَبَشِّرْ عِبَادِي, give good news to my servants. أُولَٰئِكَ الَّذِينَ هَدَاهُمُ اللَّهُ, these are the ones whom Allah will guide. Intelligent people pay attention and stupid people don't pay attention. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil karim. Amma ba'du, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. فبشر عبادي الذين يستمعون القول فيتبعون أحسنه أولئك الذين هداهم الله أولئك هم أولو الألباب. صدق الله المولان العظيم صدق رسوله النبي الكريم ونحن على ذلك من الشاهدين والشاكرين والحمد لله رب العالمين. That is what I'd like to discuss today. هذا مهم جدا للجميع. Its significance is very deep and it's very important for everyone. على أي حال دعنا نصل إلى الشيء الحقيقي. Anyway, come to the point. Basically, today I'd like to discuss about attention. What is the lexicographical meaning of attention? And what is the terminological definition of attention? And finally, what is the major characteristics of attention? Okay, I'll try to say something briefly about this, inshallah. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِ إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ عَلَيْهِ تَوَكَّلْتُ وَإِلَيْهِ يُنِيبُ. The lexicographical meaning of attention is heed or concentration. Attention means adding mind to any subject. And the terminological definition of attention is, there are three definitions of attention. Number one, the first definition of attention is, psychologist Woodworth and Marquis said, attention is selective observation, the process of getting set to perceive a particular object. I repeat, attention is selective observation, the process of getting set to perceive a particular object. Am I right? And number two, the second definition of attention is the human process of bringing a selected subject to the center of consciousness is called attention. Number three, the third definition of attention, or finally the smallest definition of attention is, attention is the attachment of the mind to a subject. Finally, the major characteristics of attention is, there are two major characteristics of attention. Number one, attention is the willful mental process. Number two, attention can be selected. About attention, Allah Rabbul Alamin said of Surah Zumar in verse 17 last and 18 first. Allah said, فَبَشِّرْ عِبَادِي, give good news to my servants. الَّذِينَ يَسْتَمِعُونَ الْقَوْلِ, those who listen attentively. فَيَتَّبِعُونَ أَحْسَنَهُ, and accepts what is good. أُولَٰئِكَ الَّذِينَ هَدَاهُمُ اللَّهُ, these are the ones whom Allah will guide. أُولَٰئِكَ هُمْ أُولُو الْأَلْبَابِ, and these are they who are intelligent. So from the above discussion, we can understand that intelligent people pay attention and stupid people don't pay attention. So that's all for this day only. Thank you so very much for your time and patience. Jazakallahu khair. هذا ما عندي والعلم عند الله عليه توكلت وإليه ينيب. I hope see you next time. Keep fine and take care yourself, and finally peace be upon you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.